an unexpected guest. Today, one like any other, he was arriving home from work when I bumped into my friend Julian. He is my kitchen. He is actually an English teacher. He was asking for him to visit, so I asked him to come inside. It was a nice experience. We had a lot of fun. We also had an interesting conversation. We even had time to make plans for New Year's Eve. Don't you love the feeling when someone was visit you unexpected? It's always nice to have this kind of practice. Thank you, guys. I hope you have a good one.